In this video, we will show you how to replace your battery hold down on this Nissan Maxima. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your battery, and you can see the hold down making its way across the top. Let's start dislodging the battery hold down. To disconnect the battery hold down, you're going to find that it has two anchor points, one on the outboard side and one on the inboard side. The process will be the same. For each of these, there's a 10mm mounting nut up along the top here. We're going to start loosening these so we can dislodge the hook from down along the bottom mounting point. Okay, we got some movement there. Should be able to shake that around. Now I can see my hook coming up from this side. We'll repeat the process on this side. If it's not loose enough, we'll just loosen that nut a little bit. Okay. Now we can start removing this. If you have a handle, that can get in the way sometimes. If that's the case, just go ahead and fully remove one of the mounting nuts from its corresponding hook. Lift that off of there. Set that aside. And get the next one off of here as well. There it is, friend. Now it's time to install our battery hold down. We'll take one of our rods. We're starting with the inboard one. I'm going to take this all the way down to the lower mounting point. It's fairly difficult to see with the battery in place. Now I like to put the mount underneath the handle of the battery if your battery does have a small handle. While holding everything in place here, let's continue on with our mounting nut. We're only going to loosely snug this. That'll prevent that mounting point from coming loose down along that inboard side, and we can continue on to the outboard side next. Now we can continue on to the outboard hook. We're going to have this hook going down into its final position and hook in just like this, down along the bottom there. Try to press that down. Now I'm going to bring that up and over there. We'll press this up as far as possible. Now while holding it in this position, completely locked in on the bottom, let's continue on with starting on that mounting nut. With both pieces of hardware started in, let's go ahead and snug them up. There's that one. We have one side snug, now let's repeat the process for the other side. Okay, we have the hold down fully installed. Let's double check to make sure the battery is properly secured. Go ahead and take hold of that. We're going to attempt to give it a wiggle. It should not move around and especially not lift up and away. After you're sure that it's properly seated, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.